Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Update both the Airpods firmware and your device OS so compatibility issues vanish. Once done, clean the earbuds and charging case. Dirt muffles sound and blocks sensors. Make sure to reset Bluetooth pairing and reconnect. This clears profile glitches that alter EQ and latency. You'll test on at least 2 devices to isolate source problems. While you do this, keep volume moderate to avoid misleading distortion, and take notes of any persistent hiss or imbalance. Once fit is secure, focus on settings. Try different ear tips until a snug seal improves bass and isolation. You'll run the fit or seal test to confirm. Next, tailor the device EQ, reduce harsh highs and boost low mids slightly for warmth. Make sure noise control mode matches your environment. Sometimes turning off active noise cancellation yields clearer vocals. Also, disable apps or codecs that conflict. Prefer AAC or aptX on compatible devices to reduce dropouts and improve fidelity. Finish by using high-quality audio files or streaming at the best available bitrate, lossless when supported, because source quality limits everything else. Calibrate playback volume to avoid clipping, confirm the case and AirPods have healthy battery levels, and inspect for physical damage that degrades drivers. If problems remain, repair from scratch and test with a wired adapter or another phone to isolate hardware versus software. If issues persist after those steps, contact support for repair or replacement. Don't keep using damaged units.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.